And we're back with another knife review. Today it's the Summit Knife Co. Half Dome, which is designed by Tommaso Rumisi. It is a knife made by Fox in Italy. So we'll show you a little bit about this knife, and then we'll go over specs, let you get a good look at it. Alright, so this knife is 6 inches overall. Has a blade length of 2.38. It's made of Bohler M390. Stone wash with a flat grind. Of course, it has a plain edge. Does the reverse tanto there for the tip. The handle length is about 3.6. Very thin at 0.4. Has some copper washers and bolsters, barrel spacers there, not bolsters, for the frame of the knife. The liner is made of titanium, which in this case would be the frame. The handle is micarta. Having a tough time talking today. Has a thumb hole for opening. It's set up for right hand or left hand. You can switch it, but it can only be tip up for the carry. The blade is 0.14 inches thick. It's about 1.1 on the width. It has a wire pocket clip with the indentation for your finger. Some top jimping and some bottom on the Framelock itself. Has a lanyard hole. And of course, since it's done by Fox, it's going to be made in Italy. Let's go ahead and bring out some cutting material. We'll start with some jute here. It's a typical easy thing to cut. You can see it cuts right through it. Bring out some paracord. Slices right through that. We'll go the opposite direction. So there's no resistance, just cuts right through. Bring us over a piece of cardboard here. Let's see if we can see how it cuts on the tip. Not bad. So it cuts almost all the way through. Show you how it cuts going forward. And then pulling back. I don't suspect that this knife will have a little effort to cut that. We'll do well at piercing cuts. Yeah, not too bad. It goes through kind of easy, but you don't really have the control that I would look for in a knife with a different tip. But it cuts well. So this knife here is about $175, which is about what you would expect to pay for a comparable knife. Titanium handle, M390. So this is the Summit Knife Co. Half Dome. There are 2 other versions of this knife. I believe they run in the same price range, up to maybe $200. So for you guys that are watching on Instagram, make sure you like our post and follow Atlantic Knife. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to our channel. We have tons of reviews and lots of content. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.